So we've just arrived into Oslo for travelling for like 15 hours or something. We set off at like 2 in the morning and now we're here and it's snowing.
It's so
and
beautiful.
It's so pretty. And we got lost on the first train, but I think we're getting there now.
I spotted and I led us in the right direction.
Yeah, Grace is taking us to the right place. So we just woke up in our first day in Norway because we fell asleep at like 9 PM, so didn't really vlog or do anything. It was really nice. We got lost on the way. Very cold, very snowy, and this house is really nice. We've got a little sofa bed and a little heater and our own shower and stuff, and it's really cozy. And we're in a really nice village, so say hi.
Hey.
And today we're just going to go out and explore Oslo and go into the centre and see what's so good about it. It's very expensive so far. So we just made it to the centre and we're making our way to what looks like the Opera House.
Oh,
and we've been wanting to go for ages.
He's got a
It's not.
Shut up. Rudy.
It's not that cold today. It's fairly mild.
It's
but
not
we're
that
still
cold. I just have
wrapped up.
leggings, jeans, a hat, a fluffy coat. We're doing fine.
That is definitely the Opera House there, and it looks really cool.
Oh my god.
Been up the Opera House and now I found this really cool thing. There's just got shirts hanging everywhere. And then there's some like inspirational poem about us not being any wiser than the fish and all that kind of jazz. It's pretty cool.
I kind of want to go this way.
So midway through our first day, you having fun?
Yeah, I love it.
What do you think of Oslo?
I think it's cool. It's fun.
It's cool and it's fun. Yeah, we're just kind of making our way back now because we need to get some dinner and then we're going to head back out tonight. Hopefully get drunk.
Yeah, boy.
But we'll see how expensive
hey,
pints are.
Football bar.
Ah, football bar.
Wait, where are you pointing at? Where should I look? Should I look at there? What do I look like? I don't know where to look. I look here. Should I look there? Is it me?
Yeah.
It's a bus! That's a birthday present.
So Grace has surprised me on our second night. It's currently Halloween. It's my birthday tomorrow. And we're going to see a gig. We're going to a gig called Jungle. And FIFA fans will know of Jungle because they do a really popular FIFA song.
Important, you're drunk.
Shut up, you're drunk.
Fuck this.
So we just come out of
This
the
vlog
gig,
needs to already go fuck
and
itself.
Grace is very drunk. Say hi, Grace.
Do I look drunk to you, vlog?
She's very drunk.
You know, I want to tell this vlog.
The rounds,
No,
the rounds we were paying for
No, I want to tell
£20 per round.
vlog. I had to do my makeup right now, so you see this little gap in my eyeliner. I had a tiny bit of eyeliner left, and you know I had no mascara. So you know what, right now I'm wearing no mascara. Awful. Awful.
We've had a great night though, so
We have had.
good night. See you tomorrow.
Night.
Grace is so drunk. We're going in and going to bed. We've already said night, but Grace is so drunk. I don't know what she's doing.